Hello, come to a customer's car today. I'm going to fit them a new loom because they've got a locked back door, as you can see. Now if we lock the car, that one's locked now, that's still locked, staying locked, that one's working, so all the other doors are working at the moment. Now I do offer a service if you've got 3 locked doors, 4 locked doors, the boot not working, any of them sort of things, you can give me a ring on the number on my back. But for this particular car, because it's only one door, this can be resolved. I sell the looms on eBay, and if you're happy to buy both rear doors, because you never replace one, you do them both. If you're happy to buy those, my username is Mowerman, MOWERMAN 1973 Lee. So it's Mowerman 1973 Lee. If you're happy to buy them, I can send you the kit with the lock door opening procedure, which guarantees to get that door open. Then you can fit the looms, everything will work perfectly for you. So we're going to get on with this now and fix it, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so it's all done. You can see, working perfectly now. Fitted both new kits, both had broken wires. As you can see, locking and unlocking as it should. Okay, so we replaced both looms, put one of these looms on either side. As you can see, I mean, they're fitted in the car too tight, that's why the wires break on these back doors. As I said earlier, I do a service where you can get those doors open yourself at home with my kits. If you've got 3 or 4 locked doors, the boot locked or anything like that, give us a ring on the number on my back. I can talk you through it. To give you an idea on price, you're looking at 125 quid if all your doors are locked. So it's not mega money. You're looking at £99 if you've got 3 locked doors, and that's everything including the new loom, so it's not going to break the bank. Certainly about £1,000 cheaper than Vauxhall would charge you. So if you want to give us a ring, this is the number to call. Thank you.